Hello students, welcome again in your derivative chapter. Today I am going to continue exercise 5.2 in the part 8. Yes students, up to 5 already I explained in the previous part. I hope you written all your formulas. Last part I given 5 times. So before starting this exercise you must be write one time our formula list. Okay, with saying either without saying as you like, but students compulsory you first of all write down one time all formula in your diary. After that you start this video. Okay, yes. Now I am going to question number 6. There are two values. One of the cos x cube I consider u, and sin square x raised to 5 I consider v, and both apply product rule. So differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx. Students, here d dx of our whole data cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5. I just apply in both place only u into v. It means product rule. So first, second derivative plus second first derivative d dx of first. It is a cos x raised to 3. Students, I just only going to now product rule over here derivative. So I going to here composition function according to chain rule. So cos x cube c into here read about to sin square x raised to 5. That value formula. The students, here apply sin square x raised to 5 derivative. First of all apply to power derivative. You know power derivative? Yes, known that d dx of x raised to n, which is 10x raised to n minus 1. Here you consider it is your x, and this power derivative is considered n. So students, I just apply 2 sin raised to 2 minus 1. Internal function same. Into now sin derivative. It is cos into now x raised to 5 derivative. This formula again apply. 5 x raised to 5 minus 1. Here done. So first power derivative, after that sin, and after that x raised to 5 plus here same sin square x raised to 5 into now this derivative. So students, here first I asking about cos derivative. After that x raised to 3. Cos derivative minus sin into now x raised to 3 derivative. Students, according to this one, it is 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. So one more time, students, this sin square x raised to 5 I consider sin square. Only square value apply, any square, and x considered as a sin function. So 2 sin raised to 2 minus 1, internal data set. After that sin derivative, after that x raised to 5 derivative. So each carry 1 by 1. Here students I going to our chain rule. Now I simplify to all. So here 5 2s are 10, x raised to 4 here. Yes, and remaining are cos x cube into sin, here 2 minus 1. Only I have x raised to 5 and cos x raised to 5. Students, these are the only first solutions done. Here minus 8 into 3. So minus 3 x raised to 2 into sin square x raised to 5 and into sin x raised to 3. And this value total. Now students, I just make the common. Yes, this equation I again write you 10 x raised to 4 cos x cube sin x raised to 5. Second time write down, students, don't worry about cos x raised to 5 and minus 3x square sin square x raised to 5 and sin x cube. Now students, I just recommend for the common Yes, these are common. X raised to 4, x square. It means x square common. Second one also common. Sine 1 time x raised to 5. Here 2 time. So 1 time I take common outside. Finally I have x square sine x raised to 5. Now what is the remaining? Yes, remaining are here then x square cos x cube. Sine 1 time take outside, only I have cos x raised to 5 because here only 1 time and 1 time pending. Minus 3 x square gone. Here 1 time sine x raised to 5 into sine x raised to 3. And that value is your simple. Students, here is our answer. Okay? Most probable you just focus about here in the chain rule, and first of all you separating in the product rule. So both are different, students. Yes, we are done our question number 6. Continue, students. Question number 7. In the 7th one, before starting, I just read about one of our basic formula in the rule functions. Students, just check here. d dx of root x. Yes. How much? Value 1 by 2 x. So this internal value you just consider here, it is your x. So I start with some differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx. Here 2 common outside because constant, and d dx of cot of x square is same as. So you getting just 2. Now root derivative of students. Internal value x consider according to this formula. So 1 by 2 under root of cot x square into which function derivative remaining? Cot of x square is remaining, students, by chain rule. Yes, I hope you understood, students. According to this property, this internal value I just consider here x, and this x is pending to cot x square. Now cot derivative and further moving. So dy by dx, 2 and 2 this cancel, only I have 1 upon under root cot x square into, now going to cot derivative. What is cot derivative? Minus cos x square. This x square you consider your one of the angle. So remaining data d dx of x square. This x square I follow here in the further steps by chain rule. Now x square derivative known, students, x raised to n wise. So dy by dx minus cos x square upon under root cot of x square same and into here 2x raised to 2 minus 1. It means finally done here dy by dx, students. My answer is minus 2x into cos x square divided by only my function under root cot x square. Yes, students. Here I have done this question's answer. Maybe you also translate in the here cos by sine, and here also 1 by sine square, and further value also derivations is available. So I just further calculate. So this much is also true. Minus 2x cos x square is a 1 by sine square upon, and cot is also under root cos upon under root sine. So this answer is also true, students. Sometimes in the project types, question asking in sine cos. So you further calculate, you are getting only minus 2x by sine square of x square into denominator, numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. So it is under root of sine x square by under root of cos x square. Now students, these are the two joining functions, 2 power n and half power n. You also calculate, and other answer is also true. dy by dx minus 2 upon here sine raised to 2 minus half x square same, and into cos of x square is also same. Students, this is the extra. This answer done here. So maybe this answer also true. So finally minus How much? Sine of x square, power reading 2 to the 4, minus 1. It is 3 by 2 and into cos of under root x square is same. So this answer is done. 3 by 2. You also mention at the last ending minus 2x by. So does this by 2 is actually I written in the root form sine raised to 3x square. By 2 already written in the under root, and another answer is under root of cos x square. So this answer is also true according to your answer base. So sometimes prove that given, so it must be transferred in this form. Either here you start cos by sine and start the division rule to direct go in this answer. Either applying basic way, both are the correct students. Yes, here done students. So after this students, I going to next one, question number 8. Y is equal to cos root x. Here also both are joining function. So I going to chain rule, differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx, students, it's very easy. D by dx of cos of root x. Now I start the formula. First cos derivative. After that root x derivative. What is cos derivative? Minus sine. Yes. Or root x derivative kindly by chain rule. Yes, please. ये chain rule apply to values wise. Now root x derivative is you know. So dy by dx minus sine root x. And root x derivative is 1 by root x. Here, these solutions, question number 8 students, is easily and happily done. And after that, I am going to next video students. Here. Now, continue students. I am going to 9. Question is that prove that the given function fx modulus x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to. So here I am going to again our definition wise. Yes students, at x is equal to 1. I just checking about differentiability definitions. According to definition, f dash x limit x tends to 0. Left hand side of that. To f of x plus 1 minus f1 upon x. These are definitions. I think you know derivative definitions already are written. X plus h minus fx by h related. Same apply here. But here I am checking x equal to 1. So here apply x plus 1. Not this value applying. After that I will take it. So here students, if fx is a modulus x minus 1. So what is f of x plus 1? Only x place. I replace x plus 1. So here replace x plus 1. You get it? Sure, it is modulus x. And I am going to left hand side limit. So if x less than 0, then modulus x is what? Minus x. This value I submitted in place of fx. So limit x tends to 0 negative. This value already I defined here students. I just operate minus x. And f1, yes, f1 is also defined in the value for modulus 1 minus 1. It is how much? 0 upon x. So finally this x and this x gone. You getting how much? Minus 1. Now same as left hand side limit. Now I am moving to right hand side limits. So continue f dash x limit. Same formula students. X tends to 0 positive. F of x plus 1 minus f1 upon x. Only this change. According to negative y here I written minus x. Now I show plus x. So here written students. Same applying. If fx, what is your fx? Modulus x minus 1. I want the x plus 1. So here x plus 1 minus 1. I am sure you getting modulus x. But here same calculations. But less than 0. I am going to more than 0. So if x greater than 0, then modulus x is what? Yes, modulus x is only x. And f1 is same. 1 minus 1 is 0. So finally I am done. Limit x tends to 0 positive. This f of x plus 1 is what value? X. It is 0 by x. one. Check. This one and this are the same answer? No. That's why limit extends to 0 negative f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x is not equal to limit extends to 0 positive f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x are both different students. That's why I asked going. So given fx is not, yes, this equation I gave right, is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 for every, asking that x belongs to R in your definition wise. Your answer is not only x equal to 1 there. Yes students, again I repeat, if you are x equal to 1 given, therefore here x equal to 1 right down. If you are 2 given, then I just show out here x plus 2. If you 3 given, then I show out here x plus 3, and here also 2 and 3. Okay, it is your definitions, don't worry. So next numerical after that I am going to same pattern, but only number is changed. Chalo students, now I go to next one. Prove that greatest integer function defined by f of modulus x naught, it is the greatest integer functions 0 to x to 3. Yes, and check about differentiability not at x equal to 1, not at x equal to. The solution is, first of all I check about to add x is equal to 1. Definition same. Limit x tends to 0 negative f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x. Yes. Now I show how to our values for fx in regarding integer functions. So I have fx given in integer x, but I want f of x plus 1. So you know that here x plus 1, one integer more ahead than x in the criteria of x tends to 0 less than. So here given 0 to x, I just show how 0 less than x less than 1 because I want x equal to 1. Now in this case x plus 1 I added, here 1 added, to each data I 1 added. So I get it to 1 to 2. Yes, 1 to 2. Now I go into integer functions. So students, I hope you understood what is the least integer value in both. 1 is least. So this answer is definitely 1 in this case. And fx, integer x given, I want to know f1. So here f1 apply. So integer 1, you know that it is 1. Direct integer apply. And finally, limit x tends to 0 negative. This answer already done. I have 1 minus 1 and upon answer is what? X. So this answer is limit x tends to 0 negative. 0 into 1 by x. Actually this answer is 0. And 0 into anything? 0. And this case is our remaining values and the total x is equal to 1. Now see the students, I go to right side. F dash x limit x tends to 0 positive f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x. Same application students I here extend. Our given fx in integer x, I want to now right side limit is only this I changing. Yes, to above more than one value. So here f of x plus 1, integer x plus 1 in the criteria same, but here I in 1 to less I taking because of left side. Now I taking 1 to more. So 1 less than x less than 2. Yes, 1 adding. Here also 1 adding. So 2 to you getting just 3. And if you apply integer, surely you getting here 1 least value. It is a 2, and that value already applying fx is integer x students. f1 it is 1. So here I ready for that. So limit, this answer is to 1 because here 2 value. So limit x tends to 0 positive. This answer is 2. f1 is 1 upon x. So here students, my answer is different because 1 by x and 1 by 0. It is infinite and both answers are not same. Students, here 0 into anything I take here. So don't write down 0 by 0. It is not defined number. But here 0 and anything you take here 0 and here infinite. Finally both not same. That's why limit x tends to 0 negative f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 positive f of x plus 1 minus f1 by x are not same. So fx is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Students, here are only half sum done up to x equal to 1. After that, I start now at x equal to 2, here 2, here 2 and here 2. Condition change. Same as that. And that also checking to not differentiable. After that, our first case. Okay, now students, I check about x equal to 2. This whole numerical again explained, but particularly x equal to 2. Definition saying limit x tends to 0 negative f of x plus 2. Yes, students, here check out. These are changed. X plus 2 minus f2 by x. Same explain. Our fx is same in the integer x. Here just I explaining x plus 2 above. So here x plus 2. But now I student check about 2. So 2 to 3 I am just going. Look at that. This is your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3 integer. So now I am taking here high line. 2 to less, 2 to higher. So here one of the left hand side limit. So 2 to left side. This one left side limited that 2. And here plus 2 added. Plus 2 added. Plus 2 added. Finally, here 3 and that 4. But I want the integer value. So which value is less than in the both? Definitely 3. So my answer is here 3. That's why this condition I am doing that. And f of that here 2. It is integer 2. This apply. And what is the integer 2? 2. This full value. Apply that. Limit x tends to 0 negative. This answer already done 3, here 2 by x. So finally this answer is not defined students. 1 by x, 1 by 0. Yes, it is not defined. Means infinity. But in left hand side, so I will just show out to left hand side infinity. Either infinity as you like. Now next, same case apply in the positive now. So f dash x limit x tends to 0 positive f of x plus 2 minus f2 by x. So finally same checking I am explaining here. According to my fx is the integer x. This one students. But now I am moving to more than 2 sides. So here f of x plus 2. It is how much? X plus 2. And value is that 2 to more. It is 3. Yes, and here 2 added. Each term x plus 2 is added to each one, so it is 4 to 5. So how much it is integer value applying then? Yes, it is integer applying. Then it is 4 to list. I just show you here 4 answer. And same as to f2, integer 2, it is 2 answer. So finally students, I done this numerical limit x tends to 0 positive. This answer is what? 4 minus 2 by x. This answer also not defined, but in positive side students. 2 by 0. It is infinity, but it just shows you plus infinity. Just like negative infinity, positive infinity. Finally, this answer not same. Actually not defined there. So I just tell you last limit x tends to 0 negative f of x plus 2 minus f2 upon x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 positive f of x plus 2 minus f2 by x. So fx is not, yes, fx is not differentiable at x is equal to 2. Here students, our answer is done. If you take in here different conditions, this also valid according to your data 0 to 3 degree, and here also valid for the 2. Yes students, but finally this answer are name or same integer function. ceiling function, floor functions are always a discontinuity, and that's why it is not differentiable and also modulus functions in particular other than the domain. Yes, students, we are done. Now students, after that I start derivative portions. So one more time I repeat you look at that all formula list, and I am going to implicit function derivative after that. Now students, I am going to new topic today, implicit function derivative. Yes, implicit function. Students, implicit function is nothing. You know the implicit function already. Equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Line equation is implicit function. Means whenever you have x and y, two variables available, that's an implicit function. It is also known x square plus y square equal to r square, circle. Yes, circle equation is also implicit function. Parabola x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. These also implicit functions. Hyperbola equations, implicit functions. Parabola equations, implicit functions. Means students, x and y value, both sides given either combined given in any forms, that's our the implicit functions. So that type equation now I start our numericals, example 24 and example 25. So before starting students, I one more time repeat you see the one time our formula list. So start here, x minus y is equal to 5. I want dy by dx. Means students, y and x, your x axis and y axis, both are given. So with respect to x derivative, differentiation with respect to x. So here d by dx of x, d by dx of y, and d by dx of y. Y is constant derivative 0. Here same, and x derivative respect to x is common. So what is get dy by dx? Yes, only dy. So this derivative actually students, it is nothing. It is the slope of this line. This line, check, ax plus by plus c, a is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 5. It is equation of line. And what is the line slope? This is the slope of the line, dy by dx. So actually it is nothing. Implicit function related first derivative. It is slope of line that I studied in the next part in the chapter number 6. Here only explaining how to calculate dy by dx. One more, y sin y is equal to cos x. Find out dy by dx. So differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx of first case, d by dx of second case, and d by dx of cos x. That are our simple apply our rule. It is same dy by dx. Now students, here sin y derivative. For sin derivative, after that y derivative respect to x. So cos y and y derivative what? dy by dx. Check rule. Same here. First cos derivative, after that x derivative. Cos derivative minus sin x, and x derivative respect to x is pending. Students, I just show about dx by dx before this writing, because dx by dx is one you know, and dy by dx is derivative pending to y respect to x. So here you just make the common dy by dx. So what is meaning? Only here minus sin x into 1. So dy by dx, your answer is coming here minus sin x by 1 plus cos y. Yes, here your answer for finally minus sin y by 1 plus cos y, where 1 plus cos y never 0. So in that domain, this answer is valid for. In this case, again I explain you, for sin derivative cos y, and y pending to respect to x, dy by dx. Same here, cos derivative first and x pending to dx by dx. So here students, two simple implicit functions, equations, we are done. Now students, after that, I am going to one more that part, derivative related our inverse function, students. But here ending our part. In the next video, in the next part, I explain to students directly related our derivation for every inverse functions, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse, cot inverse and cosec inverse derivative. All I will explaining in the next part. Already students, I show up the formula in the formula list. So I again repeat you, write down minimum 5 times daily this all formula. Okay, bye bye.